My IEP Meeting by Karen Lugers, illustrated by Katie Zolinsky. Words to learn. IEP, Individual Education Plan, steps for getting something done. Strengths, things you are good at doing. Challenges, things that are hard for you to do. Transition, change from one stage of life to another. Things to learn from this story. A new IEP is written for you each year. A transition plan is a part of your IEP. Your transition plan helps you reach your goal. You will need to share your goals, strengths, and challenges. Your IEP team will help you work towards your goals. Kyle is excited. Today is his IEP meeting. An IEP is a plan made just for Kyle. Kyle thinks about his future. He will be finishing school soon. Kyle thinks about changes he will make. These changes are called transition. Where will Kyle live? What work will he do? What will he need to learn? What will he do for fun? Many people will be at Kyle's meeting. Kyle's teacher and parents will be there. Kyle's team can help him with his plan. Kyle will share his dreams. Kyle will share what he likes and does not like. Kyle will share his strengths and challenges. Kyle will share with others what he wants to do with his life. Tips. Be active in your IEP meeting. Think about what you want for your life. Tell others what your dreams are.